Yo, Michaela, you heard what CCA's planning?
The garden, right? They're about to grow real veggies, maybe even strawberries if they get lucky.
Man, Wolong gotta catch up. I'm trying to see what this movement's about.
Bet, let's tune in. Juju and Ruru are on right now.
Guess what we're growing in here?
And movement. Oh, and also lettuce.
Both are true. We're starting something special right here at Cambridge Classical Academy, growing healthy food from the inside out.
It's a part of our big dream for everyone in Bronzeville to enjoy fresh and healthy meals, not just some of us.
Right now, our community's facing real problems. Grocery stores have closed, and plans for new ones have been delayed for years.
Some families don't even live near stores with real fruits and veggies. That's called a food desert. But we want to change that.
We know that healthy food isn't just about what's on your plate. It's about how you feel, how you think, even how you learn.
Yeah. Healthy lunches help us do better at school. Like reading faster, solving math problems quicker, and staying focused in class.
And when we grow it ourselves, we learn even more about science, teamwork, and how to take care for the earth and each other.
Hey, Sar, why are you always reading Lord of the Mosquitoes?
It's the Lord of the Flies, Mackenzie, but yours sounds itchier and way more dramatic.
Oops. Either way, the book is wild. No grown-ups, no food, no rules, straight up chaos.
Facts. I read it in Miss Chapman's class. She's one of my favorite teachers. Smart, real, and from Louisiana. Southern roots, just like Granny.
Hey, Louisiana girls don't play. They teach truth with a little hot sauce and heart.
Exactly. Miss Chapman made me realize that when people in power disappear on purpose, it's not just neglect, it's strategy.
Like Brownsville, stores close down, promises break, and empty lots sit there like nobody cares.
And when we lose access to fresh food, it leads to bigger issues. Diabetes, high blood pressure, even depression.
Then kids get blamed for being tired, for being behind. But how are you supposed to grow without the right fuel?
Precisely. That's how food deserts quietly feed the prison pipeline. One missed meal turned into a missed chance.
But we're flipping all of that right here at Cambridge Classical Academy.
We're starting with garden beds inside the classroom. Basil, kale, spinach, tomatoes, you name it.
We're growing food and confidence.
And next, that big open lot behind our school is turning into a full community garden.
So Bronzeville families can get fresh food without having to leave their neighborhood.
No more waiting on outside help. We are becoming the solution.
Through social justice education cohort. Thanks for rooting with us. We're just getting started. We're not planting just seeds. We're planting freedom, justice, and hot peppers too.